ammunition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition, and we'll all stay free.
Okay, we're going to do a little breakdown here for you. It's not difficult to do. I'll tell you one thing, after firing those 80 rounds, that barrel is hot. Very hot to the touch. Anyway, to break it down, it's this simple. This is the breakdown. Just take a round. You probably use an expended round, and kind of just see if I can get this so you can see it better. There's the breakdown lever, and if you put the round right in it and pull up, you can see it. Sorry about this. You can see that lever pulling up right there. I just pushed it down again. So you pull it up and take it out. Be very careful where you put that. Okay. So then and you slide forward, and that's it. That's all there is to it. I mean, why can't all guns be that simple to take apart? I'm going to take the mainspring off. That's as simple as doing that. And off comes the mainspring. And then we're going to pull the barrel out. The barrel is still hot. We're going to cool it down with some cleaning fluid here. Where am I? What we're doing is, the rails are never lubricated. This jar is towards the end. And I just want to get some, now that we've knocked the paint off, I want to get some lube in there. Probably would have been formed better with being done long before this anyway. But it is what it is. Okay, reassembly, of course, is very easy. This goes back in, put the barrel back in place. Let's see here. Put the mainspring back. Okay, mainspring is back. Take the gun, reassemble. back to slide fully open, and you can see through the hole in here. Let's get our little clip. Of course, I've done this 1,000 times before and never gave me a problem. But this time it's going to give me a problem. That's back in place. Done. That is the SCCY CPX-2. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there and God bless. Bye now.